What if I told you that deep inside the Amazon rainforest, there's a river so insanely hot that anything alive falling into it doesn't survive? I'm talking about water reaching temperatures close to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, almost boiling, flowing freely through the jungle for nearly 4 miles. And here's the craziest part. The nearest volcano is hundreds of meters away. For years, scientists believed this was nothing more than a legend, until one fearless geologist decided to risk everything and prove it was real. But that's only the start. What if I told you there is an entire continent hidden beneath the Pacific Ocean? One that is actually twice the size of India. Most people have never even heard of it. Today, you're about to discover 50 geography facts so unbelievable they'll completely change how you see our planet. Some of these discoveries are so recent that even textbooks haven't caught up yet. If you're ready to have your mind blown, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications, because what you're about to hear sounds impossible. Yet it's 100% real. Let's begin. Fact 1. The deadly boiling river hidden within Peru's Amazon rainforest flows the Timpishka, a river so hot it instantly kills any living creature that enters it. Temperatures range from 120 to nearly 200 degrees Fahrenheit, stretching close to 3.9 miles long and reaching depths of 15 feet. This river literally cooks animals alive. What makes it even more mysterious is the absence of nearby volcanoes. Scientists now believe deep geothermal heat and underground springs fuel this terrifying natural wonder. Fact 2. Earth's forgotten continent Zealandia is a massive landmass buried beneath the Pacific Ocean. Officially recognized as a continent only in 2017, nearly 94% of it lies underwater, with New Zealand and New Caledonia being the only visible portions above sea level. This lost continent separated from Australia around 85 million years ago and slowly sank, hiding in plain sight for millions of years. Fact 3. Standing in 4 places at once. At the Four Corners Monument in the United States, you can place one limb in each of 4 states simultaneously: Arizona, Utah, Colorado, and New Mexico. It's the only location on Earth where 4 states meet at a single point. Surveyed back in 1868 with basic tools, modern GPS confirms it's remarkably accurate. And yes, technically, you can break the law in 4 states at once. Fact 4. The lightning capital of the world, Lake Maracaibo in Venezuela, experiences the most lightning strikes on Earth, with storms occurring up to 260 nights a year. Known as the Catumo lightning, this phenomenon can produce up to 28 lightning bolts per minute. Caused by warm winds colliding with cool mountain air, this natural light show has guided sailors for centuries. Fact 5. The island within an island within an island. In the Philippines exists one of the most mind-bending geographical structures on Earth. Vulcan Point is an island inside a lake, which sits on an island inside another lake, all located on Luzon Island. This natural Russian nesting doll was formed by repeated volcanic eruptions over thousands of years. Fact 6. The town under one roof. Whittier, Alaska is home to nearly 200 people, and almost all of them live inside one single 14-story building. This building contains homes, a school, grocery store, post office, church, and even a medical clinic. Originally built as a military barracks during World War II, many residents can go weeks without stepping outside due to harsh weather. Fact 7. A country bigger than a planet. Russia covers over 17 million square kilometers, making it larger than Pluto's total surface area. It stretches across 11 time zones and spans 2 continents. You could fit the entire United States inside Russia nearly twice, and still have room left over. Fact 8. The sea that isn't a sea despite its name. The Dead Sea is actually a lake, and one of the saltiest bodies of water on Earth. Its salt concentration is nearly 10 times higher than ocean water, allowing people to float effortlessly. The extreme conditions make it nearly impossible for most life forms to survive. Fact 9. The flattest country on Earth. The Maldives holds the record as the flattest nation on the planet. Its highest natural point rises only about 2.4 meters above sea level. With just a few meters separating its highest and lowest points, the entire country faces extreme risk from rising oceans. Fact 10. The river beneath the sea, deep below the Black Sea, flows an underwater river complete with bends, banks, waterfalls, and rapids. If it flowed above ground, it would rank as the 6th largest river in the world. This hidden current forms as dense Mediterranean water sinks beneath lighter Black Sea water. Fact 11. A mountain that keeps growing. Mount Everest continues to rise by about 4 millimeters each year as tectonic plates collide. Since its first successful climb in 1953, the mountain has grown over 20 centimeters taller, and it's still rising. Fact 12. When the Sahara was green thousands of years ago, the Sahara Desert was filled with rivers, lakes, wildlife, and early civilizations. This period, known as the African Humid Period, ended when Earth's orbit shifted, turning fertile land into the world's largest hot desert. Fact 13. The only snake-free continent, Antarctica, is the only continent completely free of snakes. Its freezing temperatures make survival impossible for reptiles, creating the only guaranteed snake-free landmass on Earth. Fact 14. The lake holding 1/5 of Earth's freshwater Lake Baikal in Russia contains nearly 20% of the planet's unfrozen freshwater. It's over 25 million years old and reaches depths of 1,642 meters. Thousands of species live here, many found nowhere else. Fact 15. The misnamed ice giant, despite its name. Greenland is mostly covered in ice, while Iceland is relatively green. Historians believe Vikings named Greenland strategically to attract settlers. If Greenland's ice sheet melted completely, sea levels would rise by nearly 7 meters. Fact 16. A city on 2 continents, Istanbul, sits directly between Europe and Asia, divided by the Bosphorus Strait. Millions of people cross continents daily using bridges and ferries, all within the same city. Fact 17. A city of 1. Manawi, Nebraska has a population of exactly 1 person. Elsie Eiler serves as mayor, librarian, bartender, and resident, running the entire town herself. Fact 18. A country wider than the moon, Australia spans roughly 4,000 kilometers east to west, wider than the moon's diameter. Fact 19. The land of the midnight sun, Svalbard, Norway, experiences months where the sun never sets and months where it never rises, due to its location above the Arctic Circle. Fact 20. The centered continent Africa is the only continent that lies in all 4 hemispheres, intersected by both the equator and prime meridian. Fact 21. Population surprise. California alone has nearly the same population as all of Canada, packed into a much smaller area. Fact 22. The deepest hole ever drilled, Russia's Kola Superdeep borehole, reaches over 12 kilometers into Earth's crust, revealing extreme heat and ancient life forms. Fact 23. More pyramids than Egypt. Sudan contains over 200 pyramids, more than Egypt, built by the ancient kingdom of Kush. Fact 24. A place with weaker gravity, Hudson Bay, experiences lower gravity due to ancient ice sheets compressing the land, a phenomenon still studied today. Fact 25. The largest living structure, the Great Barrier Reef, stretches over 2,300 kilometers and is the largest living structure on Earth, visible from space. Fact 26. One time zone for a giant country. China spans 5 natural time zones, but uses only 1 official time nationwide. Fact 27. The only non-rectangular flag, Nepal's flag, is uniquely shaped, symbolizing mountains and spiritual beliefs. Fact 28. Where most humans live, nearly 90% of Earth's population lives in the northern hemisphere. Fact 29. The world's largest mirror, Bolivia's Salar de Uyuni, becomes a massive natural mirror during rainy seasons. Fact 30. Earth's largest forest. The taiga forest is larger than the Amazon and spans 3 continents. Fact 31. A country at risk of vanishing, the Maldives, could disappear within decades due to rising sea levels. Fact 32. The underwater waterfall illusion. Mauritius appears to have an underwater waterfall, an optical illusion caused by sand currents. Fact 33. The coldest inhabited place. Oymyakon, Russia regularly reaches temperatures below -60 degrees Celsius. Fact 34. Stones that move on their own. Death Valley's sailing stones glide across the desert due to ice and wind. Fact 35. Blood-red waterfalls. Antarctica's blood falls appear red due to iron-rich water oxidizing on contact with air. Fact 36. The boiling lake. Dominica's boiling lake reaches temperatures near boiling point due to volcanic heat. Fact 37. The vertical city Hong Kong has more skyscrapers than any other city on Earth. Fact 38. A border you can see from space. The Sweden-Norway border is marked by a long cleared strip through forests. Fact 39. Floating islands. Lake Titicaca's floating islands are built from reeds and have supported communities for centuries. Fact 40. Glowing beaches. Some Maldivian beaches glow at night due to bioluminescent plankton. Fact 41. The door to hell. Turkmenistan's Darvaza gas crater has been burning nonstop since 1971. Fact 42. Color-changing lakes. Indonesia's Kelimutu volcano has lakes that change colors unpredictably. Fact 43. A cave with its own weather. Vietnam's Sun Dune Cave is so massive it contains forests and clouds. Fact 44. Gravity-defying hills. Some hills appear to defy gravity due to optical illusions. Fact 45. Chocolate hills. The Philippines' chocolate hills turn brown in dry seasons, resembling candy. Fact 46. Singing sand. Certain sand dunes produce musical sounds when disturbed. Fact 47. The longest cave system. Mammoth Cave in Kentucky stretches over 640 kilometers. Fact 48. Waterfalls that flow upward. Strong winds in Ireland can blow waterfalls upward during storms. Fact 49. The Spotted Lake. Canada's Spotted Lake forms colorful mineral circles during summer. Fact 50. The inverted waterfall. In extreme storms, coastal winds can push waterfalls upward, creating a gravity-defying illusion. And there you have it, to 50 geography facts that prove Earth is far stranger than fiction. From boiling rivers to hidden continents, our planet is full of secrets waiting to be discovered. Which fact shocked you the most? Comment below, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because this is only the beginning.